So welcome to part 2 of the Festival of Unexceptional 2021. I've just had a snack and a sandwich that I bought from Sainsbury's. So I've got some nice cars here. Ooh, that sandwich is repeating on me. Nice Rover 75 and a Porsche. Citroen Visa. Bloody hell. Don't see many of them. Now this 200 was at the British Motor Museum, BMC in Leyland Show, this one. It's a 3-door and it's a proper poverty spec. It's a 214S, so it will have the choke. You can see in there. It's a bit hard, but there you go. It's got the choke in that one. Very early and very rare model. A few MGs, MGTF. Rover 200. The R3 200. Whoa, look at that. Now, I've actually seen a 3-door go around where I am quite often. I think it's been used as a daily. It's a 3-door. It literally looked like that. Silver, no hubcaps. It was a 3-door, but that was the only difference. Now that is very interesting. What is this? It's a Nissan. Very cool indeed. I like that. I like altered cars. There's different, aren't there? Got a bit more personality to them. Bluebird. Whoa, yes. Very nice. Whoa. Matches the name, does this car. Blue on the outside and blue on the inside. They're often ambassador in hearing aid beige. Roverjoe 205. Ooh, here we go, streetwise. Oh, never mind. Hold on, I'm interested. Look at this. It's a Peugeot 104 now. That is very rare. You don't see many of these about at all. And then you've got Streetwise, which is for sale as well. Only 21,000 miles. Next to a very yellow Metro with a Rubik's Cube on dash. P6. Volkswagen Jetta. Very cool stuff, look at that. You can't really see much of the interior because of the reflection, but we do our best. Ooh, look at that. Rare. Very rare. Facelift 45. BX16 Citroen. Midas. See, how do you even get in that? Bloody hell. I'd struggle to get in that, to be honest. Nice acclaim there. Volvo. Very nice. I like the square Volvos. They're always nice. I don't know why. Something about them. Proton. Very rare indeed. Triple valve. Whoa. Maestro. I think I saw this one at the BMT in Leyland Show, to be honest. stuff indeed. Allegro. GTI. Nissan Sunny. Whoa, look at that. Side decals as well. Now, let's see what we've got on this side. We went round there, so we'll have a gander here now. An MGF. Whoa, look at that. Very rare. I'm sure that's rare. It's a van in a very green colour. It's Joseph Floyd there, recording his video. Oh, look at this. Now this is fantastic. Look at that. Whoa. Amaranth purple too, but you can't get better than that. That is probably one of the best colours you can get on an R8, honestly. It's a Corsa B. Alfa Romeo. Very nice. We've got a very spruced up Mini there. BMW. Whoa, look, here we go. We've got some Citroens here. A very lowered one, indeed. Is that what I think it is? Toyota Tercel. 4-wheel drive. Let's have a look over here. Because I don't think we didn't browse this section. I don't think either. There's a lot of cars here, so it's quite difficult to go through all of them, but we do our best. We do our best. SEI. That is very clean as well. Look at all that stuff on the parcel shelf and all. Even got the deal sticker. I need to get a deal sticker for mine. That's very clean. Look at that. It's amazing. Very nice. Very clean as well. Doesn't have the airbag though. I'm quite surprised by that. Thought that model had one. It might have been an earlier SEI. At that point we were just throwing bits together because it was on its way out, that VR8 on the hatchbacks. This is Oliver's Vauxhall Corsa SRI. Very nice. And we're next to a Honda Concerto as well, which is the Rover 200's brother, shall we say, or whatever. Next to a GTI 25. You can tell it's a GTI. We've got all coloured inserts and trim, coloured spoiler, coloured plinth, the coloured inserts. However, they didn't bother doing the handles or the rubbing strip, which is quite surprising. But yeah, got a Felicia, Honda Civic Coupe, the VTI 1.6 VTI. Let's have a gander back over here. I am very interested in this Toyota Tercel. You do not see many of these at all, whatsoever. I'm sure Hubnut had one as well, in this colour, actually, quite similar. It's very nice. Awesome. And we've got a Renault, VW, with a Fiat, Mercedes, Hillman, Talbot. Oh, Talbot, actually, yeah. Let's have a look at this. Talbot. These are very rare. Solara, that's it. That's the name of that one. Talbot Solana. Proton. I think that's like probably one of the ever last ones of that model and trim. There's not many of them left at all. A few more cars over here. There's a Maestro, BMW, Range Rover, Fabric. You can't. It's hard to get all of them in, as I say. But we've got another Allegro, MGB, some Peugeot 205s, Vauxhalls, and here we have a Twingo. Another Twingo. It's Metro. Another early Rover 200. We've got another Maestro here. Ah, now I know who this is. But he's an ear at the minute, I don't think. Nah, he's gone somewhere. It's always hard trying to find people at car shows because everyone's wandering around at the same time. You're moving whilst they're moving. It's one of them things. DeLorean. Another one over there, actually. Toyota. We've got another Maestro here. Escort. TVR. Very nice. Trying to cram all this in now. It's been 12 minutes already. Toyota.
I'm okay with 80s and 90s.
Oh, it's a RAV4. It's an early one. I'm pretty sure. I know a certain someone who has a RAV4. It's a Comma. Someone was talking to me about a Comma actually when I was at work.
Oh yeah, I was out here.
Yeah, there's something similar I think to that. I'm not too entirely sure. It was something like a van or something.
Oh, is it? Oh, I'm going to have another walk up there. Yeah, well,
Some more stuff here. We'll probably just fill all this in. We've got an SD3 200 in beige. SD1. $400, owned by Simon. Triumph Herald. Fiat van. Something, isn't it? Very small. It's quite surprising how small these are when you look at them. Very cool indeed. It's something different, isn't it? Got another R8 in green. Ooh. It's had a bit of a rough spot. Ooh. Yeah, I mean. But let's be honest. It's a survivor. And it's here. That's all that matters.
That was, you said it was like Scandinavian or something like that. So I went on eBay.
Got a lot of Peugeots as well here. There's just absolutely tons of cars. Loads. Absolutely hundreds. But yeah, I think that's what we'll cover in this video. you know, you can just keep going on and on filming, but what I'll try and do is I'll try and keep it short and sweet for every single episode or part or whatever you want to call it, so you don't get bored. But anyway, yeah, we'll finish off on this metro. Look at that, very nice indeed. So yeah, see you in part 3 where we'll have a look at the concourse section.